Welcome to our channel. Leaks about the DJI Osmo 360 have been scarce, until now. Thanks to recent FCC filings and technical drawings, we finally have a real-world image of the camera being tested. The leaked photo shows it placed next to a DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and an Insta360, giving us a solid idea of its design and size. The image first surfaced through Igor Bogov on X and was later shared by Jasper Ellens, both known for reliable tech leaks. Ellens described the camera as promising, albeit with an unconventional look. He even speculated whether a bulkier design might actually be an advantage for 360 cameras. But we'll know for sure once more details emerge. Based on available leaks and FCC diagrams, the DJI Osmo 360 seems to be a lightweight, weatherproof, and rugged camera, perfect for adventure seekers, travelers, and extreme sports enthusiasts. Its compact form factor suggests it could even be mounted on a drone, opening up exciting possibilities for aerial footage. DJI is well known for its advanced stabilization technology, and we expect the Osmo 360 to continue that tradition. Whether you're running, biking, or flying, the footage should remain smooth and cinematic. Rumors also hint at AI-powered features, including automatic subject tracking, similar to the Osmo Action 5 Pro, along with scene recognition and intuitive editing tools. If true, these additions could make capturing and refining footage effortless, even for beginners. Connectivity-wise, the camera is expected to support both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, ensuring seamless control and fast file transfers. With the DJI Mimo app, users may be able to live stream, edit on the go, and instantly share content to social media platforms. While official pricing remains unconfirmed, estimates suggest it could land in the $500 to $600 range, putting it in direct competition with other leading 360 cameras. Although these details are based on leaks and educated guesses, the DJI Osmo 360 is shaping up to be an exciting addition to the world of 360-degree cameras. Stay tuned, as we'll be covering every update on this device. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Hit that button so you don't miss any future leaks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.